The Lean Startup by Eric Ries is a groundbreaking book that provides a systematic approach to building and scaling a successful startup by emphasizing efficient and cost-effective practices. Ries introduces the concept of the Lean Startup methodology, which is centered around the idea of continuously testing and adapting your business ideas to maximize efficiency and increase the chances of success. Here's a summary of the key principles and ideas from the book. Build, measure, learn. The core of the Lean Startup methodology is the build, measure, learn feedback loop. Instead of spending extensive time developing a product in isolation, entrepreneurs should build a minimum viable product, MVP, quickly, measure its performance, and learn from the feedback. This iterative process helps in making informed decisions and reducing waste. Validated learning. Startups should focus on validated learning rather than simply building a product. This means conducting experiments and tests to validate assumptions about the target market, customer needs, and the viability of the product or service. Minimum viable product is the simplest version of a product that allows you to test your hypotheses. By creating an MVP, you can quickly gather data and feedback from early users, which is crucial for refining your product and business strategy. Pivot and persevere. Startups should be prepared to pivot if the initial idea isn't working as expected. Pivoting involves making a fundamental change in your product or strategy based on what you've learned. Alternatively, if your idea is gaining traction, you should persevere and scale your business accordingly. Continuous deployment. Embracing continuous deployment and rapid iteration allows startups to respond quickly to changes in the market and customer feedback. It also reduces the risks associated with large-scale product launches. Lean thinking. Lean thinking, as described in this book, is a foundational concept for building successful startups. It adapts lean manufacturing principles to entrepreneurship and innovation, emphasizing the following key points. Start small. Begin with a minimum viable product to test assumptions and avoid resource waste. Build, measure, learn loop. Continuously iterate through a build, measure, learn feedback loop to refine the product, strategy, and business model. Validated learning. Conduct experiments to validate or invalidate business assumptions, gaining actionable insights. Pivot and persevere. Be open to pivoting your strategy or persevering based on real-world feedback. Small batch sizes. Work in smaller batches to minimize risk and allow for quicker adjustments. Continuous deployment. Embrace continuous deployment to iterate rapidly and respond to market changes. Waste reduction. Avoid building features or products that customers don't want, staying focused on delivering value. Actionable metrics. Use metrics that directly reflect customer behavior to guide decision-making. Split testing. Conduct A/B testing to determine which product or feature versions perform better. Customer-centric approach. Prioritize understanding and serving customer needs. Learning milestones. Define specific learning milestones to track progress and guide decisions. Continuous improvement. Continuously seek ways to improve both the product and startup operations. Incorporating these lean thinking principles into your startup's approach can increase the likelihood of success by minimizing waste, enhancing customer focus, and fostering adaptability and continuous improvement. Another concept from this book is an innovative accounting. This is a concept that challenges traditional financial metrics and accounting practices in favor of more dynamic and actionable methods for measuring a startup's progress. The focus is on metrics and accounting techniques that align with the Lean Startup methodology and provide a better understanding of a startup's health and potential for growth. Here's a deeper explanation of innovative accounting. Actionable metrics versus vanity metrics. Traditional accounting often relies on standard financial metrics like revenue, profit, and market share, which can be lagging indicators and may not provide valuable insights for startups in their early stages. Innovative accounting encourages the use of actionable metrics that directly reflect customer behavior and provide insights for decision-making. For example, metrics like customer acquisition cost, CAC, customer lifetime value, CLV, And the activation rate are considered more valuable for startups as they help assess product market fit and customer engagement. Learning milestones. Innovative accounting incorporates the concept of learning milestones, which are specific goals or achievements that signify progress in a startup's learning process. These milestones are used to assess the viability of the startup's business model. They are not traditional financial goals, but rather key points in the build, measure, learn feedback loop. Examples of learning milestones might include achieving a certain number of validated customer interviews or reaching a target conversion rate in a split test. Validated learning. Innovative accounting places a strong emphasis on tracking and quantifying validated learning. Validated learning is the process of testing hypotheses and gaining insights that help refine the startup's strategy. Traditional accounting does not capture this essential aspect of the lean startup methodology. Instead, the focus is on measuring the progress of the startup's learning, experimentation, and customer development efforts. Burn rate and runway. While these are more traditional financial metrics, they are crucial for startups and are included in innovative accounting. The burn rate represents the rate at which a startup is spending its capital, and runway is the estimated time until the startup runs out of funds. Tracking these metrics is essential for financial planning and ensuring the startup has enough resources to reach its learning milestones. Build, measure, learn accounting. This is a term coined by Eric Ries to emphasize that accounting in a lean startup should align with the build, measure, learn feedback loop. Financial data should be used to inform the next steps in product development and strategy, rather than merely reporting on past performance. For example, if a split test indicates that one version of a feature has a significantly higher conversion rate, the startup may allocate resources to further develop that feature based on this learning. In summary, innovative accounting in the lean startup is about reshaping financial measurement and reporting to better suit the needs of startups that are following lean principles. It emphasizes the importance of actionable metrics, learning milestones, and validated learning to guide decision-making and increase the likelihood of achieving product-market fit and long-term success. By using these innovative accounting methods, startups can make more informed and data-driven choices throughout their growth journey. Another key lesson from this book is the theory of 5 whys. When faced with a problem or setback, the 5 whys technique encourages entrepreneurs to ask why multiple times to get to the root cause of the issue and address it effectively. The Lean Startup is a guide for aspiring entrepreneurs that advocates a systematic and scientific approach to building a startup. It emphasizes the importance of validated learning, rapid experimentation, and adaptability to increase the likelihood of creating a successful and sustainable business while minimizing resource waste. If you enjoy our videos, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Your support fuels our mission to democratize financial and self-growth knowledge for everyone, regardless of their background, education, or privileges. We firmly believe that the invaluable insights found in these books can inspire and accelerate our collective journey towards achieving our dreams efficiently. Join us in this pursuit of lifelong learning and empowerment. Subscribe today.